Good morning, Weaver Wildcats, and happy Tuesday morning to everyone. And just as a reminder, we are almost done with our Reading Plus for the year. This week is our last week for lessons in Reading Plus, so let's make sure that we finish strong. And then next week will be our last week working within Reading Plus. We'll finish up our last assessment for the year. So let's make sure that we stay strong and get that Reading Plus finished up this week. Right, and today is National Eat What You Want Day. And so on National Eat What You Want Day, what do you feel like eating right now? Right now, what do you feel like eating? It's early. Maybe it's a breakfast food. Maybe it was something you were craving yesterday. But go ahead and let us know. What do you want to eat right now when you answer a question today? So go ahead and click at the link at the bottom or the link that's in your email. All right, and our last Wildcat Wednesday of the year has been decided. It will be Aloha Beach Day. And that will take place on Wildcat Wednesday on the 26th as we get ready to start our last week. So that'll be right before our last week of school, again on the 26th. And that will be Aloha Beach Day for Wildcat Wednesday. All right, Weaver Wildcats, make sure that we continue to exhibit the Weaver way in everything that we do. So let's make sure that we continue to work responsibly and have that excellent behavior, that can-do attitude of achievement, making sure that we're valuing everyone and exhibiting respect to everyone. And, of course, we are always ready to learn. Let's also make sure that we continue to do our part in the fight against the coronavirus. So make sure you're washing your hands frequently. You're practicing that good respiratory hygiene. If you do have to be out, make sure that you're maintaining that social distance and wearing your face covering. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. And if you are feeling sick, stay home and take that time to get yourself better. Make sure that you're also checking your school Gmail account every day and checking your Google Classroom during distance learning. Make sure you're checking into your daily class meetings in the afternoons and watching the announcements. And then, of course, you're taking those brain breaks to get up, move around, and get that blood flowing through your body so that your brain works at its best. All right, so on Tuesday in the mornings will remain the same, but in the afternoon, 6th grade, you'll be going from periods 2, 4, 7, and 9 today. And then for our 7th grade, you'll be following the same schedule with periods 2, 4, 7, and 9. And in the 8th grade in the afternoon, you'll be checking into periods 2, 4, 5, and 9. Remember, all students on distance learning in the morning, you should be checking in with your distance learning teacher, then also making sure that you're getting your Reading Plus done and your assignments done in the morning. Alrighty, this Friday, there will be an opportunity. The Kona Ice will be here on Childs Avenue. This Stone Cone fundraiser is for our ASB Club of the Washington, D.C. and New York trip. So if you'd like to help support, come out between 12 and 2 on Friday. Right, and Netflix Club will be meeting today after school. Make sure to email Miss Dewey if you're interested in joining. There'll also be Culture Club today with Miss Ramirez in Zoom at 3:35. Now, audition dates are coming up if you'd like to try out for the Weaver Middle School Marching Color Guard and Winter Guard for next school year. The audition dates are this Wednesday and Friday, and then also next Wednesday and Friday from 4 to 7, meet at the basketball courts. And there will be practice today for our softball team from 4 to 5:30, and then for our baseball team, you guys will have practice from 4 to 5:45. Yesterday was National Clean Up Your Room Day, so hopefully you all participated in the challenge of the day, which was to clean your room, clean your living space, make sure that it's nice and organized. And you know what that 18 means. We're that much closer, so let's stay on top of what we need to get done, especially this week with finishing up our Reading Plus lessons so that we can take our last assessment next week in Reading Plus. Alrighty, Wildcats, that's what we have for you on this Tuesday morning. Let's make sure that we continue to work hard so we can finish up strong, getting that Reading Plus completed. And of course, remember, each one of you is great. Just allow yourselves to be. Have a great day, Wildcats.